Today we are at Pillalamarri Temple. This is an Kakatiya temple, 1000 years old temple, 11th century protected monument. As you can see the ASI sign as well. You can see the exquisite architecture of the Kakatiya period, the same which you see in Ramappa temple and the 1000 pillar temple. The same platform model. You don't find big carvings out here, but still you can see the reflecting the Kakatiya architecture. We'll go around the temple and let us see this. We'll go round the temple. This is an old temple, ancient temple, 1000 years old. So now we are going round. The walls have been recently painted, so they lost their shine. Here you have got 4 sides mandap, 4 sides stairs, and not much carvings on these walls, but still exquisite, as you can see.